Today we are going to see how to make the surprise gift box. Okay, for this we need a square size paper. Then we have to just join all these two corners, two edges, open that, again both the edges, open it. Now this side we have to fold it again at the midpoint, till the midpoint, open it, again the second side, very good, open it. Now from the mid center we have to just fold the paper at the mid and again in the middle, so two folds in middle. Okay, open it once again, I will show. Very good. So this way, open. So this way there is 1 2 3 4 parts will be straight and this will be like this. So now here these edges again we will fold it on the reverse side, another side, at the middle, again in middle. Okay, join these two edges very properly and then fold it this way. Very good. Once this has been folded nicely, just see it properly. First we have done the mid fold, then again mid fold and then open it. Okay, so this way our folds will be ready. Now just take the edge of this paper, one edge upside in till this point. Okay, join it, again the same these two edges to this next point. Okay, till the next point we will join these edges here and we will fold it. Very good. Now these two to next midpoint till the midline. Okay, again till the midline we will fold it this way. Very good. Now same procedure at the another side. One fold, second fold up till this point and then next fold till the middle again here. Very good. So this and these two sides are being closed properly. Okay, this will be there. Now here this end we have to fold it till this end, this point to this point. Okay, take it and fold it and fold here, tight fold. So squeeze it on that, squeeze with nail. Okay, open it, same procedure. This edge will be here, will be the corner, open it, same way here also one corner, open it, and then this we have to just press it down. Okay, understood? Then these three folds up to the center point. 1 2 and 3. Very good. Now this has been done. Now this middle, this we will just fold it at back half, this side. Yes, fold it this side. Very good. Okay, now the same process we will repeat it here. Now this end till this point. Again this corner we can see this. Very good. Here we will fold it, press it, fold it and press it, and remaining part downside fold. Now again these three corners triangles we can see outside it. So this we will fold it again at the midpoint. 1, 2 and 3. Okay, now this again we will fold it half on the this side. And at this side. Okay, and press it. This way. Here you can write the way. Okay, very good. And then open it. Okay, this way it will be ready. Okay, now this way we will prepare one thank you note. Okay, and that just open this, and inside this you can keep the thank you note. You can stick it. And close it. This way our message will be ready. Again, just see how it opens when it looks. How it looks. Again, close it. Open it. Thank you.